In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print selected cells in Google Sheets. If you only want to print a specific section of your spreadsheet instead of the entire sheet, Google Sheets makes that very easy. This is especially useful when you're working with large tables and only need to share or print one small range of data. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure you're on the correct tab if your spreadsheet has multiple sheets. Before printing, take a quick look at the data you want to include so you don't accidentally leave anything out. Next, click and drag to highlight the exact cells you want to print. Be as precise as possible here, because Google Sheets will use this selection to create your print area. If needed, you can zoom in a little to make selecting the correct range easier. Once your cells are highlighted, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This opens the main menu where you'll find the print settings. From there, click on Print. That will take you into the print setup screen. In the print settings, you'll usually see an option that may be set to current sheet by default. Click on that setting to open the print range options, then choose selected cells. You may also see the selected range displayed beside it, which helps confirm that Google Sheets recognized the area you highlighted earlier. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly review the preview on the screen. Even though the steps are simple, the preview helps you confirm that only the selected cells will be included and that the layout looks right before you continue. When everything looks good, click Next. This moves you from the Google Sheets print preview into your device's print or save window. From there, click Save. In many cases, this will save the selection as a PDF first, which is useful if you want to print it later or share it digitally. After that, click Save again to choose where on your device the file will be stored. Pick a location that's easy to remember, especially if you plan to print the file right away. And that's it. You've successfully printed only the selected cells in Google Sheets instead of the entire spreadsheet. It's a simple feature, but it can save paper, reduce clutter, and make your printed documents much easier to read.